Hey sunshine! It's Cady from DarkSunlight. Welcome back to my BUJO Bites series. I know it can be overwhelming to get started with bullet journaling, so my goal with this series is to break it down into easily consumable, bite-sized videos. In this episode, we'll talk about indexes, page numbers, and keys. When you set up your bullet journal for the first time, you'll probably want to create an index. Some notebooks come with index pages already in the front of the book, and some you'll need to create yourself. The reason an index is useful is because when using your bullet journal, you'll be adding new pages for ideas, projects, or lists whenever you need them, and the index is there to help you find those pages again when you need to reference them later. The index will only work if you have page numbers, which some notebooks already have, but some don't. So the next step is to add those page numbers in if they're not already there. To save yourself some time, you could decide to write only every second number. I personally don't add page numbers or an index to my notebooks anymore because I follow a pretty consistent monthly structure throughout the year, and I tend to remember where things are in my notebook. If I really can't find something, I don't mind flipping through to find it. To use your index, you'll want to add a line every time you create a new spread or collection, write a descriptive title for it, and add the page numbers it appears on. If you run out of space in one spread and continue it later on in your notebook, you can string the pages together, like so, in your index. Once your pages are numbered and your index is all set up, you'll need to create your key. A key is a series of bullets or icons that describe the items you're adding to your bullet journal. The basic bullet points you'll probably want to use are tasks, completed tasks, migrated tasks, scheduled tasks, canceled tasks, events, and notes. You can also add any extras you'll deem personally useful. Some extras that I use are for started tasks, birthdays, YouTube uploads, Instagram posts, holidays, and highlights. Once you've determined the types of items you'll be adding to your spreads, you can decide on whatever style of bullets suit you best. They could be dots, squares, circles, or even color-coded. And that's it. You're ready to start creating lists with your key and adding them to your index for easy reference in the future. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon next to it. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And also don't forget to follow me over on Instagram at dark_sunlight. I post more bullet journal content over there, as well as how my bullet journal looks when it's all filled in. That's it for today. As always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time.